Let's move on to another video, and this video is for blur, sharpen, and smudge tool. These three tools are located under the single umbrella of one tool. If you look at this, this might be a the default might be your blur tool. I was use whatever the tool you used last time. It appears on the toolbar. So this is the brush blur tool, sharpen tool, and the smudge tool. First, let's make use of blur tool. This is an image of a woman, and we want to blur what's here, and we can use the blur tool. Same like what's with the brush and uh, settings, brush stroke. Okay, so choose recent brushes are printable. Okay, that's it. So hardness will be this for the blur, and this is the brush. Okay, that will be this. You can increase or decrease the size accordingly. Like, oh, sorry, this is selected here. Okay, we have to correct it. So this is a lot. So we want the hardness to be only 2%. Okay, this is also a lot. So we want to change the brush now. So dry media brush or whatever the brush we want. It's a blur brush. So size should be this and hardness should be not enough. Let's make it 2%. It's blurring it, and we can increase the size of this, and let's make the hardness bit more, like 18. Make it more hard, 53%. Our function is working here. So let's make some more changes and make it. So you can see that the coffee mug is getting blurred. So that's how the blur function works, and the mode should be normal or darken. So you can control from here. Strength should be this much, 80%. Yes. So sample all layers. So we have blurred it a lot. So that's how blur function works. So let's move on to another thing, that is sharpen tool, and we can make this coffee mug sharp again using this tool. Look at this, the coffee mug is getting sharp now. So this is the function of sharpen. Now it's now you can see the glossy uh, face of the glass as well. So this is how the sharpen tool works. So here I've shown you the working of the blur tool and the sharpen tool, and now we have to make use of the smudge tool. To make use of the smudge tool, you first should have uh, any sort of paint stroke. Like if we click on the paint tool, and this is the stroke of paint, And to a smudge tool is used to uh, multiply the paint stroke like this. Hardness should be this, size should be this, darken strength should be more. So just to show you, like you can even increase the paint stroke or any of the color like this. You want to expand anything, or it will uh, definitely do some sort of magics for you in a more convenient way. So this is how the smudge tool works. So that's all from blur, sharpen, and smudge tool. Thank you so much.